Hello guys, in this video I'm showing you how you can archive reels on Instagram app. So let's get into the video. But before getting started, here is some intro about our channel. Our channel Noteartener is a tech tutorial channel, and here we upload daily how-to tutorial videos bringing solutions of the problem that you are facing on your internet journey. So you can join our community by subscribing and pressing the bell icon to get free access of our unlimited content of interesting and knowledgeful tech videos like this one. So let's jump into the video. So firstly, you have to open your Instagram app and then log in into your account. After that, tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner. So as you know that you can only archive post stories or live videos, but if you want to archive reels, Instagram reels, so you can do this by following the two ways. The first way is you can simply go to the Reels section by tapping on this Reels tab, and here you can open any of the Instagram Reels. After opening the Instagram Reels, you can see these three dots in the bottom right. So when you tap on that, then here you can see the third option, remove from profile grid. You can simply tap on that, and what it will do, it will simply remove your reels video from the profile grid, or it will, and then it will hide this video into only the reel section. So this is the first way. So you can simply tap on the remove from profile grid, and then what it will do, it will not show up in this profile grid. So this is the first way you can simply archive it. The second way is you can simply again tap on these three dots in the bottom right, and here you can see the very first option in the top. You can see the delete. You can simply tap on this delete button in the very top, or you can simply delete this reel. So it is saying that you can restore this reel from recently deleted in your activity within 30 days. So simply tap on this delete reels button, and now you can simply you have simply archived this reel. So you can simply access this reel whenever you wanted, and you can also repost this reel on your profile grid or in your reel section by simply going to the recently deleted from your activity. So for this, you have to simply tap on these three horizontal lines in the top right, and then tap on the third option, your activity. Here you have to scroll down to the very bottom of this page, and here you can see the second last option, recently deleted. Tap on that, and here in the reels section, you can see, when you tap on this reels section, you can see these reels. So if you want to simply again restore this reel, you can simply tap on this restore button, the second button in the very bottom, and you can tap on the restore again. So that's how you can do this. You can simply archive reels on Instagram, but there is no basically any feature on Instagram by which you can simply archive the reels on Instagram. But if you want to archive any post, you can simply do that by tapping on the three dots in the top right, and you can simply see this third option from the top, archive button. So that's how you can do that. So if you find this video helpful, you can subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share it with your friends. Now see you next time.